This is a quick demo of two new features in Weave Cloud. So we've got a new input connector for Cloudant, so we can stream data from a Cloudant database. And we've also got integration with Totango, so we can generate user activity events in Totango. So in the demo, we're going to use the Weave Cloud activity log. So Weave logs all of its activity, user activity, into a Cloudant database, and then from there it can distribute it to whatever apps it needs. So we want to send this data onto Totango, and that's what we're going to demo here now. So I've already created the basic skeleton of the app, so it's Weave Activity Metrics app, and I've got a pipeline here for sending the data to Totango, but you could also have one for Mixpanel or other apps as well. So let's configure Cloudant. So we pick the database. So it's Weave Activity Test that we're going to use in this case. Now you can use the changes event list from any database. So that's a standard thing that's in the Cloudant database. And also you can create your own views on your databases and use those views. So in this case, I've created a CBS Totango view that basically creates a view of the activity data in a way that's suitable for us for Totango. So you just input the view name there, get the data, so we can get a sample data from that database, and or you can put in your own if it like, but that's creating the sample, getting the data from Cloudant. That's what the activity log looks like from the view, and then we map that across to Totango. So I have an account already set up there, just map in the fields, and that's it done. So we start that app now. I'm going to run it on a local Tomcat. Okay, it's running there now. So let's do something now to generate some activity. So I'll create an app that'll create a new app, or log a new app event and a new pipeline event. So just okay, and we'll just pick something. So Postgres database to Twitter, and that should be enough to generate the events. So we go back to the dashboard now. The data can be a bit slow coming through or being visible in the dashboard in the stream in Totango, but let's see what happens. So there we go, there's the event data. So new app and new pipeline, Postgres to Twitter. So one of the problems with Totango at the moment is you can't attach attributes to an activity event. So you have to bundle it in the name, which is a bit of a hack, but anyway. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it was very easy to do that, to get the data from Cloudant, to set up the integration from Cloudant to Totango, and we did it in a few minutes. Okay, thanks, bye.